I arrived at my next stopover for a couple of days. About 30 kilometers north of Shishlui, and I'm here visiting Johan and Leslie. I met them about a year ago or more. Met them at Richards Bay Caravan Park, and yeah, I came to visit and stay here for a day or two on the farm, and I'm sure I'll be able to give some more detail later on. A walking companion. Hey, Scruffy. Good morning, Sunday morning. I've been on 2 hikes already around the farm, flew the drone a couple of times, and then eventually old Scruffy went under the electric fence onto the neighbour's property, and then that was a battle to get him back. But he's back on the property. Naughty little bugger. Otherwise, all good. And that's the hall. Big kitchen area, serving hatches, and a big open space hall. There's some more serving hatches on that side, and then this wall on the side here that's got badminton court markings. There's a pool table and a big stage. Big area for any functions. Off the side of the hall, down the passage, there's the toilets, and there's a shower, a couple of toilets, urinals and basins. Good morning, Monday morning. I'm all packed and ready to go. Hitting the road, I'm going home now. And I can hear the traffic on the road here behind me, but doesn't matter, a long way home, so just sit behind the trucks if we need to. But on my way home. Hello, I'm back home, safe back home. Trebek. Traffic wasn't too bad. It's just when I got to Spaghetti Junction, there was traffic like crazy. I don't know what happened there, but most probably just the roadworks. And then getting through Pinetown, there was accident, a car rolled, so there was a hold up there. But otherwise, no, went well. And then stopped at the usual spot, Cotswold Town. Had a coffee and lunch there. But I'm back home now. And Hoffney, thank you very much, the owner of the farm that I stayed at, Bayala. It was very nice staying there. Thanks for having me. And Jan and Leslie, thank you very much for the hospitality. It was good seeing you after a long time. But I'm sure I'll see you soon again. I'll come up there when it gets a bit warmer. But definitely, talk about getting warmer. It's a lot warmer there than here. Actually chilly. I must go and put a jacket on and long pants. I'll have the videos ready soon and load it. Cheers. Enjoy. Thank you.